In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock ratio in Canva. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or any kind of layout, getting the proportions of your elements just right is really important. Ratio controls how wide or tall something appears compared to its height or width, and understanding how to access and adjust it will help your designs look more balanced and professional. First, open your design in Canva like you normally would. Make sure you're on the page where the element you want to adjust is placed. This can be anything: an image, a shape, a text box, or another graphic. Once your design is open, move your mouse over the element and click on it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles appear around it. This step is important because the ratio options only show up when an element is actively selected. With the element selected, look towards the top of the Canva interface. You'll see a toolbar running across the screen with different options. Find the one labeled Position and click on it. The Position menu is where Canva groups tools related to alignment, layering, and arrangement. By opening this panel, you're telling Canva that you want more control over where and how your element sits on the canvas. When the Position panel opens, take a moment to explore the options you see there. Depending on the version of Canva you're using and the type of element selected, you'll notice controls for aligning objects, moving them forward or backward in layers, and sometimes more advanced settings. Among these options, look for the control labeled Ratio. Go ahead and click on Ratio. Once you click on Ratio, Canva will reveal the settings that let you adjust the proportion of your selected element. This is where you can fine-tune how it scales, often by changing or unlocking the aspect ratio so you're not limited to the original shape or size. If you want a more stretched or more compact look, this is where you can make that happen in a precise and controlled way. After adjusting the ratio to your liking, simply click back on the canvas to continue designing. You can repeat these same steps for any other element where you want to unlock and control.